Welcome to Caliber TTS, the airgun channel that explores the science of shooting. In this video, we will be discussing one of the most critical factors that determine the accuracy and precision of airguns: lock time. Lock time refers to the time it takes for a gun's trigger to release the sear and propel the pellet out of the barrel. It is a vital factor in determining how long the gun stays on target and how much the barrel moves during the firing process. By understanding lock time and how it affects accuracy and precision, we can optimize our airgun setup to make more consistent and accurate shots. Lock time is affected by various factors, including the weight of the trigger, the design of the sear and trigger, the pressure of the hammer spring, and the mass of the moving parts. These factors can affect the amount of time it takes for the sear to release and for the pellet to leave the barrel. The trigger weight is one of the most crucial factors that affect lock time. A heavy trigger requires more force to release the sear, increasing the time it takes for the pellet to leave the barrel. This delay can result in the shooter inadvertently moving the gun during the firing process, leading to inaccuracies. The design of the sear and trigger also plays a significant role in lock time. A well-designed trigger with minimal friction and a short travel distance can help reduce the time it takes for the sear to release, resulting in faster lock times. The pressure of the hammer spring can also affect lock time. A stronger spring can provide more force to propel the pellet, but it can also increase the time it takes for the sear to release. Adjusting the hammer spring pressure to find the right balance between force and lock time can help optimize airgun performance. Finally, the mass of the moving parts can impact lock time. Heavier parts can take longer to move, which can increase lock time. Using lighter components, such as a lighter hammer or trigger, can help reduce lock time and improve accuracy and precision. In summary, lock time is a critical factor that affects the accuracy and precision of airguns. By understanding the scientific principles behind the forces involved in optimizing our airgun setup, we can reduce lock time, improve our shooting performance, and hit our targets more consistently.